Welcome to Julie the Thrifty Designer. Hey guys, sorry I haven't talked to you guys since Christmas time. Well, I guess no, it was New Year's. I did a video on New Year's. Well, I just have not been feeling well, still trying to recuperate from the car accident, and well, I just haven't done anything. I just barely got my house back to just being kind of a normalcy, let alone doing special decorating. Anyway, I thought I'd show you my hauls that I've gotten recently that I will start decorating for. Now, we're going to start with St. Patty's Day because that is coming up soon. Now, I grant you, I only got a couple of them here. These came from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? Welcome. And happy St. Patty's Day. I think they're cute, and I know exactly where I'm going to put it. I'm going to put this guy on my front door, and this guy is going to go by my front door on my little small wall by my stairs. I think it'll be cute. Then I have this box here. Oh, I had found that at the Dollar Tree also for Valentine's, But I have this box here that is full of my St. Patty's Day stuff, which I'm going to try to decorate here probably today or tomorrow. And maybe I'll get a video out for that. Although it's not much different from last year, just maybe a different placement. So I'm going to try to do that soon. But anyway, there's my new 2 additions from the Dollar Tree. And then I have some Easter haul that I got here. And this right here is, I just see they are so cute. Well, I went to the Dollar Tree and I found this guy here. It's an Easter egg hanging. Whoops. Okay, need to straighten out. It says Happy Easter. There we go. Not quite sure where I'm going to put them yet, but I will figure it out. And then this one's in the shape of a butterfly. And again, it says Happy Easter. I think they're so cute. I love these little bunnies. I just think they're so cute. And then another Easter egg one with a cute little chick on it with Easter blessings. They came from the Dollar Tree. And I won't know till I'm decorating for Easter what I'm going to do with those. But I think they are so cute. And then to go with kind of the sparkly look, Dollar Tree had these eggs. Just the little plastic glittery Easter eggs, and I think those are really cute. Then I went into Burlington Coat Factory. I think it was Burlington, right? Is that what that says? I can't see it. I don't have my glasses on, but it was Burlington Coat Factory. Now, it is plastic, but isn't it cute? And the coloring, you can see that all the coloring goes very nicely together. The blues and the pinks and the greens. And then this guy, he was in Tuesday morning. His ear had fallen off and it was stuck down inside of the basket right there. We didn't realize it. And so he was normally $17.99, but I got him for $9 because the ear was missing. But his ear was tucked in right here. Pulled him out and stuck him in, and he's just as cute as can be. I think he's adorable, and he's going to be cute sitting on the table for Easter. And then at Burlington Coat Factory, they still had the complete set here. And that one was $4.99. Put cheese and crackers or something on it. I'm not sure what's going to go on it, but it's cute. And then they had this platter with all these cute, adorable little bunnies. And that one was $7.99. And I just thought, how cute is all of these? The Easter look here is just so cute. Then Walmart had Happy Easter little plaques. And he was $4.99. And I thought, well, he just goes so cute. And they also had the sign that says, He is risen. And these are from Walmart, $4.99. And then again at Dollar Tree, it was the sign here that says, He is risen also. I love it. And they're all within all the same colors. Just as cute as can be. I love them. They're so fun. I'm looking forward to doing my Easter decorating. I will be adding my old stuff that I've had for years in the midst of all of this, which a lot of it is I have statues of the different stages of Jesus's life and to his crucifixion to his resurrection. And so I'm going to just incorporate all of it together. But I certainly think all these bunnies are just as cute as can be for this year. I am so looking forward to putting up Easter. That Easter right there, the look I have right there, just brings a smile to my face like I haven't had for a while. So I'm looking forward to it. But meanwhile, I'm going to get started on this here soon, and I'll make a video of how I decorate for St. Patty's Day. So that'll be up and coming soon. So look forward to that. Anyway, happy decorating, everybody. It's a new year. It's past the new year, really. And I need to get with it and get happy again and get enjoying my life, because that is my philosophy. Before I die, I want to live. So encourage you all to find the happiness in your life and look for the small things, even if it is nothing more than just a small purchase from the Dollar Tree. And be happy. Even though life sometimes makes it hard. The car accident makes me hurt. I'm not recuperating as fast as I would like to. And I spend 3 days a week going to doctors. And then I have 2 days a week that are open for specialists that I get to go to. So we are busy working on trying to help heal me. And through the grace of the Lord, He's going to show me the right stuff that I need to have done. So I have a test come Monday with a specialist to find out what kind of injections they might want to do in my neck. And so I am pretty tired. I feel run down most of the time, but I can't keep living that way. I have to get up, get moving, find a reason to get up and enjoy my life. And when I spotted these little bunnies, they really did help. They perked me up. They're so springy and fun, and so this is things that I have to do for my life. I have to figure out how to find even the small little things like this to make me feel happy again. So this is the beginnings of the little things that help make you feel better in life. Find them. You may not have these as your love, but there's something out there that you will find. So look for the things that bring you pure joy, peace, and happiness. And make sure you find time to pray, and that the Lord will direct your path if you don't know what it is you need or want. So, from my house to yours, enjoy your holidays coming up. Happy St. Patty's Day, and happy Easter. They're coming up real soon. And hopefully we'll start having spring weather pretty soon. Here in Colorado, we've been socked in for a couple of months now of just every few days it's snowing. So I hope to start seeing spring soon also. Today is a pretty day. The sun is shining. And it's about 50-something degrees. So it's actually nice, but it's still winter feeling outside with snow and everything. But enjoy your life. Find the moments to be happy, even if you don't feel happy. Even if you don't feel good. Feel happy. Find the moments. Even if they're fleeting for a moment or two, at least you found some. Look for those happy times. Pray and seek the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. So, happy times are here again, right? Happy holidays.